Torklift is now introducing the 2022 Mini Cooper John Cooper Works Edition to the EcoHitch line. This completely concealed, stealth design is available in a 2-inch receiver. To install this hitch on your Mini Cooper, first remove the bottom panel clips. Then remove the inner wheel well panel screws. Next, partially remove the wheel opening trim molding. Under the molding, there's a bolt that needs to be removed. After that, remove the taillight trim cover. Then remove the 3 screws. Once the screws are removed, the taillight can be disconnected. Make sure to unplug the wiring. When the taillights are removed, there's a bolt that needs to be detached. There's a plug located under the fender trim that you want to make sure to unplug. Then, you will need to remove the bumper, starting from the outside, working your way to the center. While you remove the bumper, make sure to disconnect the wiring harness connectors. Next, detach the rear cross member. You will need to slightly trim the exhaust heat shield. Then, remove the interior air vent cover. Now attach the EcoHitch to the vehicle. Next, fasten the hardware. Now attach the wiring. Reinstall the bumper with the factory fasteners. Lastly, attach the receiver. Now you have successfully installed the EcoHitch on your Mini Cooper. For any questions, call us at 800-246-8132.